here I have given a schematic representation of the innate immunity mechanism. So when there is invasion by pathogens, there are two possibilities. One is the innate immunity that works, the other one is the acquired immunity. Innate immunity is non-specific, acquired immunity is specific. In innate immunity, there is a first line of defense followed by a second line of defense. If the first line of defense fails, the second line of defense takes over. In the first line of defense, there are physical and chemical mechanisms. Physical mechanisms are in the form of barriers preventing the entry of pathogens, like the skin, the keratinized layer of the skin that prevents the entry of pathogens, or the mucous lining along the entire length of digestive and respiratory passages for trapping and preventing the pathogens. The chemical mechanisms include release of the enzyme lysozyme, which is an antibacterial enzyme. It is present in the saliva, it is present in the tear, it is present in the sweat, it is also present in the sebum of skin. Release of hydrochloric acid in the gastric juice in the stomach, and maintenance of acidic pH in the mouth, stomach and urinary passage. This is the first line of defense. The second line of defense includes cellular mechanisms, phagocytosis, direct ingestion of pathogens, natural killer cells, cells which destroy the infected cells, inflammation, local changes in the tissues that are infected, fever, increase in the temperature, pus formation, destroyed cells and pathogens together, cytokines from T cells, 30 different types, preventing the infection to other cells, interferons produced by viral infected cells. Here is another scheme showing the inflammatory responses due to invasion of pathogens. When there is invasion of pathogens, the tissue cells get injured. The injured cells now release certain chemical substances like histamines, kinins, etc. As a result of these chemical substances, blood vessels in the tissue dilate. This is what I said, local changes. Blood vessels dilate, permeability in the capillaries increases. Due to dilation of blood vessels, there is an increase in the flow of blood to the infected region, and this causes the redness. Due to change in the permeability in the capillaries, phagocytes now migrate to the infected region. These phagocytes engulf the pathogens. Some of them release what are called as pyrogens, and these pyrogens bring about an increase in body temperature, that is the cause of fever. Increased body temperature decreases the multiplication of pathogens. So this is the summary of the innate or non-specific immunity.